Hey there. Today we're going to look at how to make a shirt in Roblox. So let's get started. First, open the Roblox website and log into your account. At the top of the page, click on Create. On the left side, click on Creations. Then go to Avatar Items. From here, select Classics. And make sure you're in the Classic T-shirts section. Next, click the Upload Asset button. You will now be able to select the image file from your computer. Once chosen, set a name for your t-shirt. For example, Roblox. After that, write a description of your design. When you're ready, click on Upload. The design will be submitted and added to your creations. If you already have other t-shirts created, they will appear in this section. After uploading, it might take some time for your new shirt to show up, so be patient. And that wraps it up. Appreciate you watching. See you in the next one.